Hello and welcome back to art class. So last week I introduced you to the story of the teddy bear and how the teddy bear is an abstract type of art. Soft sculpture technically, but as you can see on the left, this is an up close view of that cartoon, and that bear does not look very realistic, so it is abstract. The one on the right, however, looks very realistic. It's in black and white, but you still could have it walk up to you. So, in our book today, the one on the left, this artist does very abstract art. You can recognize it as a duck, but it doesn't look exactly like the picture on the right. It doesn't look like it could walk up to you in real life. So in our book, there's two things that I wanted you to think about. He is talking about different parts of government. So the left one reminds you that the state person that's in charge is the governor, and the one on the right, our country elects a president. This brings us to, and we're going through all this right now, we have a lot of politicians that are wanting to get their name out there right now, well, two in particular. So they use posters, billboards, TV ads, and online ads to get news out about themselves. These ads usually have text, but not just any text. They want their name or whatever information is on that to stand out. So there is lots of different ways to do this, but one way that you guys are going to learn how to do today is how to give letters interior space. So these letters here are bold, so they have an interior space where you can add designs or different colors. These also have outlines and that in different colors that help to make them stand out as well. So here's also another thing to think about is how you want your letters to appear when you're drawing them. These are kind of standard where there's space in between the letters, but these letters are overlapped. These letters are cool. Probably a little kid's room. Romero Britto is a really well-known artist. You can look his stuff up, but these are very busy, as we could say in art, but all of his letters are overlapping. But what he also does is something that I called fracturing. He fractures his whole art space and his letters. So there's actually areas of his letters that have different designs in them. So he's taking the interior spaces and dividing them even further. Plus, he's overlapping his letters. And then, many times, he'll put backgrounds that are just as busy, but you can still read the letters depending on what's in the background. So I'm going to share some of these designs with you as well that you can draw from, but these are great examples, or you can just Google him, Romero Britto. Okay guys, have fun!